Listen to the pulsar star sound captured by NASA's space-based observatories. What does it sound like? Isn't it just like knocking on a door? The interesting part is that this star is mentioned in the Noble Quran with the name Tariq. The word Tariq means someone who knocks on a door, hitting something hard to make noise. Allah clearly hear the sound which sounds like someone is hitting or knocking on something. How could Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, know this 1400 years ago when there was no high-end technology? The truth is crystal clear. The Quran is the words of the Creator, Allah, the Creator of everything, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his final messenger.